Dang, I can't do no loud intro. Okay, y'all, so I can't do my regular, like, loud, vibrant intro because everybody in my house isn't asleep, but it's currently 12:46 and they're going to sleep. So I don't want to be rude. So I have to do a quiet intro today. So without further ado, what's up, y'all?
Yes, honey.
So today I'm going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine. I know a lot of people have been asking about my skincare routine, and honestly my nighttime routine is more important than my daytime routine to me, because the fact that during the day, yes, you wash your face, you know, brush your teeth, all that before you leave, but you go out to the world, you're gonna get dirt, you're gonna get, you know, toxins and everything else in your pores. So what you do at night is what you sleep on, okay? By the way, key to having clear skin, make sure your pillowcase is clean. I cannot stress that enough. You sleep on that, your face is on that, make sure it's clean, okay? And I'm going to show you guys what products I use in the order that I use them. So the first thing that we're going to start off with is going to be my black soap, okay? I get my black soap from the beauty supply store. Now, no specific beauty supply store. Most of them have them. I live in Atlanta. Most of the beauty supply stores here, they have black soap. Now, there are different types of black soap. The correct type of black soap to use on your skin is African black soap, okay? It looks kind of like this. I know it don't look amazing, but it looks like this. A lot of people say it looks like a beef patty. A lot of people say it looks like a rock. Whatever, okay? This is the type of black soap you use on your skin. First things first, we're going to start off by washing our faces with African black soap, okay? 100% natural. This right here is what me and Babe use on our faces. These are like maybe $1 at Big Lots, Walmart, whatever the case may be. The products I use really not expensive. The African black soap is maybe $4.99 at the beauty supply store, so not expensive at all. These scrubby pads you can get from Walmart, Target, Big Lots. They're maybe $1, like I said, and they're perfect. They're really soft. They're not like rough on your skin. They have like a rubbery feel to them, and this is what I use to get deep in my pores. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to wash my face with the African black soap. And if you don't have one of these, use your hands. Don't use washcloths and towels on your face because they are too rough and aggressive for the skin on your face. The skin on your face is way more sensitive than the rest of your body, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the before. So my face has been breaking out, which is why I decided to go ahead and finally do this so that you guys can see the actual results as the days go by. So I got a pimple right here, and when it's really hot, I tend to get what older people call heat bumps. This side is a lot more broken out than this side. First things first, wet your face with warm water. So now that my face is wet, I'm gonna put a little bit of water on the scrubby pad. Now what I like to do is put the scrubby pad on the black soap like this and just kind of rub it around. And if it still feels dry, get it a little more wet. You're gonna keep rubbing until it gets really soapy, like so. The scrubby pad is gonna look like this, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and start the process of washing your face. I like to focus on my breakouts, of course. Okay, so now that that's done, when you feel like your skin is good enough on the black soap, you're gonna go ahead and rinse it off with your hands. Okay, don't rinse it off with a towel, don't rinse it off with any type of cloth. Use your hands to get the water off of your face. And the next step, the gel mask plus scrub. So this is a sugar scrub for your face that has charcoal in it, and I go in with this after my black soap because it helps me to get out excess toxins I may have missed, extra dirt, and definitely dead skin. So it leaves your skin feeling really, really soft and smooth. This is available at Target, Walmart, and Five Below as well. So if you're having like dry patches on your face, your skin is really dry, go get this. Now that that's washed in, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out a little bit of this. You don't need a lot, this much. A little bit goes a long way. Go in with this. I get the most dry patches on the corners of my nose, so I always make sure to get those specifically. So your face should look like this when you're done. Go ahead and we're gonna wash this off as well with our hands. Okay, so now that that is washed off and cleared, as y'all can see, well, y'all can't see that my face is softer, but I can feel it. So now you can use a towel. However, you don't rub, you blot, okay? Well, not, yeah, I guess you could call it blot. You just kind of, you know, do like they do in the movies. Just kind of pat dry your skin. There you go, pat dry. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my witch hazel. I do use these, they're called cotton rounds. And my mom put me on to these, shout out to you, Mom. Just squirt a little bit of my witch hazel, and it is for face and body, so make sure it's for face and body. Get a little bit of witch hazel, and I just go around my face to get any excess dirt clogging my pores, all the excess dirt I may have missed from my day. Looks like I got everything. There's not much dirt on my cotton round. Last but not least, it's so important to make sure you moisturize your skin. Morning routine and night routine. Always moisturize your skin. I always go in with Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This is my #1 moisturizer. It gives my skin a glow. I just kind of scoop it out, and I get this much, and I put it on the sections of my face. And that concludes my nighttime skincare routine. If anybody was wondering, I know you guys have been asking me for it, so here it is. I will be posting my daytime skincare routine sometime this week for sure, I promise y'all. So it'll be up this week, so you guys know what I do in the morning and you guys will know what I do at night. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the products will be down in the description box below. They're all available at Walmart, Target, Big Lots, sorry I can't talk today, whatever. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Comment down below to let me know what else you guys want to see. Hit that like button, and I'm out of here. Bye.